And good morning, Ron McGowan here with Guarantee RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Going to give you a nice video tour on this brand new 2022 Attitude 3422RR. What an amazing unit. Let's go take a look. So coming inside here, the first thing that you're going to notice is the beautiful cabinetry. They've done an amazing job on the cabinetry. This kitchen area, you've got a stove, an oven, a microwave. You're going to notice that you've got hard surface countertops with LED lighting surrounding those countertops. The cabinets in this are a very light color, as you can see, so the coach feels very airy and open when you're walking through it. 4-door refrigerator. You're going to have 2 rocker recliners. You're going to have a jackknife sofa. This has got a super slide, so that this slide comes in. You can lift the floor and give yourself that extra width that you need for those large toys. You've got the 2 electric beds in the back with opposing sofas. This does have a deck ramp on the back, so the ramp does make into a deck patio position. Coming around the side here, again, we've got the over 50-inch television. This is just a great coach. Let's go into the bedroom area. The bedroom area is fantastic. You've got a king-size bed, a fireplace, a full wardrobe closet. The bathroom speaks for itself. Nice large shower with a countertop, nice sink setup, porcelain toilet, large front fiberglass cap with LED lighting all the way around this coach. We've got spotlights here on the passenger side. We've got a large awning, electric awning with LED lighting. We've got full large size pass-through compartments for storage. And we've also got a large one here, as you can see, in the front that gives you a nice area for storage as well. It's equipped with a generator. All of your plumbing on this unit is tucked up tight to the unit so that you're not going to have to worry about dragging plumbing while you're going down the road. This particular unit is equipped with the hydraulic leveling system. It's got a inverter, a 1200 watt inverter, solar, lithium battery system. All right, thank you for your time this morning. Truly appreciate it. I hope you learned a lot about the Attitude. If you have any questions on this or any other RV, you can contact me directly at 541-968-6010. Thanks and have a great day.